Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech AI, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to get a summary of YouTube videos in Bard. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll be opening my browser and I'll be using Chrome. So you can use any browser you like. If you have Safari or Opera, anything that has been installed in your computer. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your YouTube. Here you can choose any videos you like. You have got all the privilege. So I'll be choosing this video. So let's copy the URL. So once I've copied the URL, I'll be writing summarize. So I've written summarize this YouTube video in key points. So after this, just paste the URL, and once you click enter, meanwhile your ChatGPT will do its thing. It is going through the videos, and apparently the key points will arrive. So this way you can have the information about the video without even checking the video. You can just do this short process, and this way it will show all the key points, all the important necessary key points that it is included in the video. So this is all for today guys. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Share your thoughts on the comment section, and on the next video we will try to cover the topic related topic to the Gemini ChatGPT. Till then guys, have a good day, stay blessed, stay safe, bye.